Hello, welcome to the Scrooge YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you a website for the backtest. Maybe someone knows, someone doesn't, that backtest is one of the most important part of the studying in trading. On backtest you can improve your skill in trading, you can improve your analysis, you can find any idea, you can test this idea, you can test your setup. I always use exactly for the test of my setups, for the test of my analysis, to improve my analysis, yeah, by making mistakes on the chart. And I understand that, for example, my analysis now it's profitable, for example, yeah, on distance, and then I can use it on live trading. So, okay, first of all, of course, I will show you how to sign up, how to sign in on this website. After that, of course, some words about how to start. After that, we'll talk about instruments, how to start your first backtest, how to start your first session. After that, at the end, I will show you how to cancel the subscription if you want, of course, because on FX Replay you have 5 days free trial. So you can check how it looks like, you like it or not. And for example, if you don't like it, you can cancel the subscription. After 5-day trials, you have to pay $35 for a month of using this website, yeah. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, maybe let's sign out. Okay, there is the page. You can sign in if you have an account. There is a very useful button to sign up or sign in with Google account. Yeah, without your full name and anything else. But there is a button with sign up. There you can just put your full name, email address, password, some agreements, and then create your account. After that, you should confirm your card number, yeah, that you're ready to pay for the subscription. But of course, after you cancel the subscription, FX Replay won't take your money. But if you save your card number and after 5 days you won't cancel the subscription, FX Replay will take your $35 for the month. Okay, so I can sign in because I already have an account. Okay, so this is my account. So the first very important button, well, it's create the session. There you can start your first backtest or add another one if you have any. There you have button of create your strategy. If you have a strategy, yeah, rules about entries, about your context, you can create the strategy and then add the strategy to the session. And checklist for your trades if you want to personalize rules for your trade, for your entries. So okay, let's start, create the session, account balance, any number you want, 10 billions, $1, no, $10, but let's choose 10,000. Okay, there you have crypto pairs, most popular crypto pairs, then forex pairs, futures, index, and agriculture. Okay, so maybe let's choose euro. Like for me, I always backtest euro, honestly. But of course, you can choose Bitcoin, ADA, doesn't matter. On Bitcoin, as I know, you have minimum backtest. It's from 2020 to the present. But on Forex, I think something about 2010 to the present. But I think on the crypto 4 years, it's enough to backtest your idea, to backtest your setup or your analysis, yeah, to have the statistic for 4 years. And I think if it has worked for 4 years, of course it will work in the future. Okay, so let's choose the date, doesn't matter. Okay, 2022, March 1st, and the end to the present. Okay, there you can add the strategy which you create, and there the name, description, and save. There you can play. Okay, and now we can see the chart. So finally, let's find our candles. Okay, So first thing, it's layout, because if you want safe layout after you set your time zone, you add your indicators, and if you will refresh the page after that, FX will cancel all your indicators, time zone, any drawings, because I don't know why, but it works like that on the FX. So you should add your indicators, set your time zone, then save layout, I don't know, rename or make name of this layout, yeah. And after that, FX won't cancel any of your drawings, any of your indicators. So for me, it's very useful. Okay, so on the left side, like on TradingView, we have drawings. Then we have time frames, unfortunately without seconds, but still think enough. Okay, any candles you want, then indicators. On a fixture, there is no every indicator, like on TradingView, yeah, but still I think there are enough indicators to, I know, you can find any another which you want. But still, as I said, I think there is enough indicators to test your strategy. Okay, then about place order. Let's maybe move to 5 minutes. And for example, I know we want to take a short, yeah, for example. Okay, so first of all, to place the order on a FX replay, for example, we first of all need to draw this, like how I use it. Then I don't know, take profit, stop loss, doesn't matter. Then we should click on the drawing, then place order. There we can choose our risk, which we want. You can change there, I don't know, 10%, yeah, for example. But let's choose one. Then calculator will calculate everything else. After that, we should just choose the market, limit or stop. So let's try the limit, then save, and now we have our order on the chart, like for backtest. Yeah, let's try, for example, okay, price. Take this. Okay, for example, we want to put break even, so now we should sorry, not take profit, but stop loss. We should move on our entry. Now we have break even, we have our take profit. Now we just should scroll the candles, yeah, till the, okay, so we have take profit. And now we can see that we have our realized P&L, account balance, and there you can see our closed position, our open positions, our closed positions. So that's how works orders on FX replay. Okay, about hide the page, you can show this or hide just to have the full screen of the chart. Yeah, I think full screen looks better, but still I honestly don't use it, but maybe will be useful for someone else. Okay, there charts show you the day on which is your scroll. Yeah, you can see it changed. Okay, then economic calendar. There you can check the news. There you can check the news, and after that, for example, if if you don't know if there will be any news. Then show events. You can, for example, check just news on the chart. Yeah, for example, there are from USA. Or hide this if you want to check the just economic calendar. And then you can go to next session, go to next day open, next silver bullet session, next news event, or custom settings. There, by the way, about this, there you have shortcut, speed of the shortcut, minimum, maximum. There, how looks minimum. Oh, sorry, maximum, and then how looks minimum. I don't use it, I just use the this thing just to scroll the candles, and very useful button about synchronization time frame with the chart. For example, we have 1 hour, we want to choose on 5 minutes, and after that we scroll the 5 minutes candles. Yeah. For example, if we have this turn off and we go for the 1 hour time frame, then it will scroll just 5 minutes of 1 hour candle. Yeah. Sometimes it could be useful, but I always use the button like synchronization. For me, it's better, but like, you can turn off this. Okay, so about instruments, I think it's all. There, of course, you can make screenshots, like on TradingView. So let's return to dashboard. Now about the cancel subscription. So manage account, then plan and billing, manage subscription billing. Okay, now you have page. Then you click on FX replay, and there will be a button to cancel the subscription. Then you click on the cancel subscription. After that, there will be a page about rate the service, leave the comment or something like that. You just can skip this and cancel subscription, and after that, after 5 days free trial, FX Replay won't take your money for the 1 month. Yeah. But if you, for example, want to cancel after after 1 minute of creating the account, yeah, of course, still you have 5 days free trial. So it doesn't matter when you have 5 days just to cancel the subscription if you don't want to pay in the future. Yeah. So okay, it's all about FX Replay. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.